We will do it live. We'll do it live right here on Tuesday, March 11th, 20 and the 25, coming from the balmy farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Current temperature is what? Got to be in the 50s, right? Well, yeah, it says only 48. Well, it's sunny, so that makes me feel good. High of 53 today. We got that going for us. I wanted to start with the chart on the SPY, aka S&P 500E to the T to the F. Okay, so I think we're there. I believe that we have made our turn. I've added a few things today, which is what? And was this the only thing I added? First resistance. I was actually putting this on here before I plugged in the old microphone, and it was just under, and it blasted right through. So that's a good sign. Doesn't mean it isn't going to dip back below that first resistance. I would call second resistance to be like 562.25, which would be yesterday's high, right? No, wait, where was yesterday's high? Wait, is that the gap yesterday? All right, go back here. Let's change our minds. Let's put it there. Just talking out loud to you. How we do. This. Let's put that there. I'd call that second resistance. Not sure we'll get through it today, but I have a good feeling it's coming soon. Gap fill needs to go on as well. Okay. Let's just call that. Let's take a close, let's say, hey, wait, it went below your box. Well, the boxes aren't haunted. They're just educated guesses that the magic 8-ball gives me. So this is what we're looking at right now. First resistance, we are through it and healthily through it thus far. Again, expect a couple pullbacks during the day, but as we continue to go up, at this stage, we're looking for two different things. How is this rebound to be measured? Will it be a three-wave corrective? 1, 2, 3, and then we decide which way we're going from there? Will we then turn around and head back down? Or do we get 5 waves up and then we call this the bottom? Because fat bottom girls, they make my charting go good. Oh, look at that little run. Holy moly. In fact, let's take a look at our other charts. So this one is finally, because today was not easy, was it? This morning, I expected some volatility. This morning, we got it. I was even watching the VIX. So we'll take a look at that just to see what I was thinking about during it. Trying to get a little, no, you trying to turn red on me on the candle? Nah, would I expect a couple today? Of course. You can see I'm all hyped up because we finally turn a corner. At least that's my current position, is that the bottom is in. SPY I should probably be around even. I was more than 6,000 down earlier today on my SPY position, so we'll get to that in a moment. And look, if you watched yesterday's video, then you're like, holy moly, he does have a magic 8-ball. Because none of this was here when I put this big green arrow in. Watch yesterday's video if you don't believe me, but I know you believe me. And I know you probably, because we're basically like best friends, watched. We didn't even get out of the box, didn't break down to the bottom of the box, and it's made a nice move up. Could I expect a little pullback next? Pretty close to a little bit of a breather next. It won't be, I shouldn't say won't. It shouldn't be much before we head back up. Yeah, looking good. How about gold? Oh, put this in earlier. We haven't done it yet, but we're getting close. Take out 2936. Just, it just felt right through here. Little rocket ship on there. GLD, what do you got? Okay, nice gap. Let's hold the gap. I think we will. GDX. The reason I got out at a loss on my short was just the way that it was looking right through here. That's when I got out. I haven't updated my spreadsheet as far as my trades from last week, but I did make 2 more moves today we'll get to. All right, there's our breather. Let's go back here. Wait, no, here. Okay, you see, we got that. We just put in a wick at the top here. And you see the dotted green line is where we're at right now. So, little breather and then head back up. That's my position. And we may see that happen live. I put my stop in, and then I had my stop at 555 even, then I took it off. Glad I did. Otherwise, I'd have been stopped out and I wouldn't be feeling like maybe we are now in the right trade. Are we in the right trade? Cricket, cricket, cricket. I think we are. Okay, where were we? GLD, GDX, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, let's see. We talked about reversing on the red. We got into the red because I put this on before, and then we did dip down twice into or under the red, but then we've made consecutive higher lows, and now we've made consecutive higher highs. So Bitcoin looking pretty good. Let's see. I like to put in some visuals for my own viewing pleasure. They have there's no rhyme or reason other than trend lines, simple trend lines. Where are we at here? Like 89. Talking out loud. I'll get back to the Bitcoin, but it did what we thought it would do yesterday. It was finding a bottom. Tried to test again today, but didn't even really come close. And now has made a nice move from there. We're going to take this out next. Yeah, that's coming. So looking good there. We've looked at SPY, NASDAQ. All right, we got a little scary, but we never did get too. We dipped out of the box just a bit, as you can see there, but now making a nice move north. So let's keep our fingers crossed there. TLT, just been a battle. It's been a battle all year for me so far. I would imagine, let me see, what is this coming at? Let me get the line going. Sometimes you know where things are, other times you don't. What am I looking for? This. Just talks amongst yourself. Did I hit that? Yeah, I think I did. Nope. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go down here. I'm giving myself a visual. Make that red. Did I move the box? Yeah. Just wanted to see my 4 in there. A little tick more. 89.75 is what I've got at the very moment as we're talking here together. 89.75. I would put the stop loss on the TLT. I still have a lot of faith in it, obviously, but it's messing with my emotions. Okay, how's uranium looking? Okay. All right. Coming off the floor, it did test our red line we put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. But I think that it's had this nice, beautiful, rounded bottom to make its way up. Need to take out 2412 next, would be my first interpretation. First look. What are we doing over here? Don't you dare put a red candle up. Little move down, maybe even into back under our beautiful green line, and then right back up. That's the plan, and I'm sticking to it. Right? Oh, hey. Whoa. Is this caught up? Whoa, we're up $115,628 today after that shellacking that we took yesterday. And for those playing at home, one of the reasons I have wild moves in my portfolio right now is because of the large leap positions that I hold. So, for instance, this $26 strike SLV call, which expires on January 16th, 2026, this 700 contracts represents 70,000 shares. So yesterday it was at like plus 8,000. Now it's at plus 45,000. So that difference is represented over here in the current balance. Not liking the look of the current move on the S&P. But I got that dialed pretty tight, so that's why it looks that way. So all of these three have made nice moves today, which contributed greatly to this 114,000. And of course, we're holding a bunch of AGQ, which is now at 87,600 profit. Our other two minor positions are doing well, and we've actually gone green on our 3 times directional S&P, the SPXL. But this thing will look at it, how wild it is. 2837. Come on, get back up. 25. And the SPY, which I was down over 6,000, is now only down 1,600. Whoa, that's a big red candle. Let's go back. Hold on. Okay, we have now gone back under the green line, which is the first resistance, as we talked about 5 minutes ago. But I don't expect this to get back into this box. That would make my butt stink. But at the moment, if it got on my nerves again, I would probably go as low as 549 on my stop, just because I do feel that I'm right about the direction. I should say that the chart is right of what the direction is. I'm just a amateur. This is amateur hour, as you've seen. So let's put a line up for fun. Maybe like, let's just go 549 flat. Do. Where'd it go? There it is. I don't have it on yet, but we can put it on now if you'd like. Should head back up though soon. I'd love for it to happen live. Oh, wait, it already went back up over the green. You like how I just script everything and then I say it perfectly? No, we know you have no idea what you're going to say next. You're right. You're right there, Johnny. But I am a little fired up. A little fired up because soon we might be looking at all green on this bad boy. A bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the spike comes through? I'm gonna celebrate. You and I are gonna celebrate. Crack some champagne, because if it is indeed the local bottom that I am looking for, then we should be assaulting this very soon. 585 very soon. Before the weekends. It's already Tuesday, right? Keep an eye on that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you are giddy today. I am. How much better do we feel when things are going in our predicted probability-based direction? Oh, wait. I thought it was plus. See how excited I am? Come on, get up there. Get on up. Get on the scene like a green machine. All right. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to tell you next, except thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking in here live, recorded live in a studio here in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. We're looking for that bottom in the S&P. I think we found it, but the market sometimes easily distracted over here. Sometimes the market will remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So keep your feet on the floor and keep reaching for the stars. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video and this channel with a lovable friend, and I will indeed see you back here tomorrow.